Hello, this video we explain to you why we do not recommend our dealer or nail technician to just replace the impeller only or the bearing only. Okay, this is a Luraco Magna jet. You already know Luraco Magna jet, and the motor is about 5 pounds. Okay, 5 pounds. And you know that with the Luraco magnetic jet head or the wet end, it can hold the 5 pounds. Okay, a very strong magnetic coupling, and you know that magnetic coupling force or magnetic field is sensitive with the temperature. So that's why, you know, when the people out there using different vendor, different manufacturer, and they complain when they put the liner here and they use a different wet end or different vendor, and this one is, you know, it rotate, okay, because when they don't have a good magnetic coupling force plus the warm water and the hot water in the basin, it degrades the magnetic field or magnetic coupling force. Okay, but anyway, when we have a strong magnetic coupling force, it creates more friction of the bearing and the shaft, bearing and shaft. Okay, so that's if the magnetic coupling pump running without the water for a certain time, you know, either the bearing will burn out or the base of the shaft damage or both damage. Okay, most of the time we see both damage if it's running dry for a long time, okay, for a certain time. So it both damage. So replace the bearing only or impeller only do not fix the problem. Do not. We know that because we've been through this situation before. The people just order this, or our dealer just sell this to the salon owner, and few weeks later they come back and they say the bearing worn out so quick. Okay, it's worn out quickly, and they replace it again, and few weeks or few months later it worn out again. And then we ask, okay, send us the whole set back. Okay, send to us, and we see that the top surface of the base here, the little ceramic here, it crashed. So it keep beating or eating the bearing. So we not suggest to just replace the bearing only or the impeller only. Okay, but if you replace the base and the impellers, so why you don't just replace the whole set? This is just a cap. You should, you know, you should have a new cap, and you know the price does not much difference. It's not much different between the whole set or just buy this pair. So that's why we've been through this situation in last 10 years. We know, and we do not recommend or suggest our dealer just sell this only. Okay, no, or this only is better to sell complete. So you can warranty, you can provide the warranty to your client. Okay, that's why. And you know, I hope this video helped. Thank you very much.